Welcome to another Simple Dad, Snapchat and TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the old vintage trend videos you see on TikTok like this. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So as you can see, users are posting videos of themselves on TikTok using the vintage filter on Snapchat. So let me show you how you can create these kind of videos on TikTok using Snapchat. So first you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat. Next you want to tap on the browse button here at the bottom to search for lens. Search for vintage. And you're looking for vintage poster by Snapchat. So this is what it looks like. So go ahead and tap on that. Once you do this, Snapchat's AI will start to work on your photo and will change it into an AI image. As you can see, it has changed my face to a vintage look. And now you can go ahead and press the record button and record yourself. Once that's been recorded, you can use this download button here to download it to your phone. Once that is downloaded, you want to go back to TikTok. You want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Upload that video which you've created. Go ahead and add your sound, any effects, text, and then stickers. And then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the old vintage poster trend video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.